Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's about 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on October the 2nd. Happy Friday to you. Again, we're tearing apart the S&P 500 ETF, the exchange traded fund for that, so you can check out volume. And we had mentioned yesterday on the sell-off around noon that we saw a pretty extended TRIN and TRINQ reading, and that continued. And if you look at it, that is unbelievable. So 3.5 is, I would say, severely overbought in many instances. The TRINQ can often go higher, but at 3.0, that's also extremely high reading, and typically those will have to come back into a more normal range. So we'll be watching that closely today. The VIX also rose all day long, concomitant with the sell-off in the broad markets. And if we scrunch this up and look back in time, some good resistance right around this area. And so support through here. And it failed that, and now we're testing that again. Compare that to the broad markets again, and we had seen this beautiful area of support at 104.20. Now we kind of gave up the ghost of the 106 here. We've been watching that for a while as well, and just chewed right through that. The 200 MA on the 60-minute, and then we just headed south. Again, I mentioned yesterday, who knows where we're going to end up, but that's not a horrible place of support right here and right here as well. So the beginning of this gap fill, the complete gap fill, this is the next support areas at the round number of 102 and 102.50, half round number, pretty good. So that's what I'll be watching today, but also make sure the TRIN readings and the VIX are also in line, because after a big day like that, that are a little bit oversold, need to especially watch out for those events in the morning. We have some news coming out: average work week, hourly earnings, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, and even factory orders at 10. And some of those numbers being out, we can look at pre and post market data. Give me a chance to pop that up. And some of the unemployment numbers came out, and we even dipped back down to our number of 102 that we just talked about 2 seconds ago. And so if we opened right now, we would be actually sitting right there. Perfect gap fill, and that's fairly weak. So again, be careful how you enter short after many bars down in a row, even on a 60-minute chart. And make sure you get some confirmation, and watch out for profit takers on the short side. So I hope you guys are going to have a good day, and I'll be talking to you around noon.